For pet lovers, few things are more important to them than the love and care of their pets. Each year, countless hours are spent providing companionship to the more than 74 million dogs, 90 million cats, and millions of assorted animals that Americans have welcomed into their homes. Many of these pets can suffer from the same injuries and illnesses that we do.
Veterinarians deal with a lot of cancer in animals, which is very similar to people. We see a lot of chronic inflammatory diseases in animals, and they're controlled with a lot of the same medications that are used in human medicine.
Veterinary medicine is no longer just about vaccinations and spaying or neutering your pet. Although wellness is very important, advances in technology and medicine currently available can significantly help the pet as well as their family.
When I started, I had to deal with the anesthesia. I had to deal with the x-rays, read the x-rays, take care of the surgery, obviously, and the post-op pain management. Now we have specialists in all those areas, and we have many other specialists also that we can draw from. So I think that's the biggest approach, is started from one-person team to a 100-person team.
The current trend is a large multidisciplinary veterinary hospital where specialists collaborate to find the best possible treatment for the patient. This concept is similar to that of the Mayo Clinic. The best example is found about 20 miles north of Chicago. It's called Veterinary Specialty Center.
The benefits on a large facility like this would be threefold. One would be that you have access to so many specialists of so many different varieties. Two, that these specialists have had advanced training and that they have a lot of experience in what they do. And three, they all talk to each other. And so we can walk down the hall and talk to somebody who's had experience with something that we may not have.
Located in Buffalo Grove, Illinois, Veterinary Specialty Center offers a full range of specialty services, including surgery, anesthesia and pain management, internal medicine, oncology, neurology, cardiology, nephrology, radiology, emergency medicine, dermatology, behavior, rehabilitative therapy, as well as holistic medicine. The staff of Veterinary Specialty Center delivers skilled and comprehensive specialty care. The collaborative environment allows doctors to consult, brainstorm, innovate, and inspire each other. This, along with a proactive partnership with their referring veterinarians and clients, allow them to provide optimal care for the patients.
Veterinary Specialty Center is unique because there are so many specialists in the hospital, and we all work collaboratively, so every patient really gets the benefit of a lot of different brains. There's also just an enormous amount of experience among all of the doctors who are here, because we have doctors who've been practicing like me for over 20 years, and other doctors who are right out of their residency who really know a lot of the more state-of-the-art stuff. So it's fabulous, and it's wonderful to work in a team-based environment.
The surgery department is the largest of its kind in the Chicagoland area. Its board-certified team of 6 surgeons and 2 anesthesiologists and pain management specialists has extensive experience in handling complicated surgical cases.
Our surgical experience encompasses soft tissue surgery, neurosurgery, orthopedic surgery, and cancer surgeries. Some of the surgeries that we perform are fairly common, such as cranial cruciate ligament injury repair, and range up to complex, minimally invasive procedures such as laparoscopy and arthroscopy. We also perform brain surgery. We also perform total hip replacements for dogs that have debilitating arthritis, as well as advanced cancer surgery using a laser to minimize pain and swelling.
Veterinary Specialty Center's mission has been the development of its relationship with their referral veterinarians over the last 34 years. This effort allows area veterinarians to confidently refer to their specialists and know that patients will receive comprehensive care.
Dr. Schindler started our VSC pretty much in 1976, and at that time, most questioned his ability to sustain a practice devoted solely to surgery. He built relationships with those local veterinarians by providing a level of service that they hadn't seen before in the Chicagoland area. So really it is upon that foundation that we built the premier multi-specialty practice that we are today. Communication is really a top priority here at VSC. It is evidenced by our around-the-clock veterinary support that we provide, as well as seamless collaboration via our referral hotline and concierge. We take pride in giving back to our veterinary community by sharing our experiences and offering continuing education.
Veterinary Specialty Center's extensive list of services offers pet owners complete specialty and emergency care throughout their pet's life.
What makes Veterinary Specialty Center unique is our people, our facility, and our vision. Our incredible staff focuses on excellence in care. They're passionate about the care that they provide for the pets and the patients that we see. Our facility was designed with collaboration in mind that encourages the doctors to get together and talk about cases, and that really is what allows us to provide the comprehensive care that we're famous for. And finally, our vision of the future really allows us to acquire the latest technology to improve outcomes for our patients.
They have state-of-the-art equipment here. It's the best I've ever seen, and I've been to several animal hospitals. And the staff is very compassionate, very caring. I have never seen people that go out of the way as much as they do. You fall in love with them right away. You can't help but do otherwise, you know. And they are so efficient, really.
The courage of its patients, the loyalty of their human families, and the devotion of the referral veterinarians inspire Veterinary Specialty Center's vision. It is sustained by the contribution of its compassionate, knowledgeable, and dedicated staff, and built upon a strong tradition of providing unsurpassed health care for animals. To learn more about Veterinary Specialty Center, call today or visit vetspecialty.com.